You think you know what makes a man happy after intimacy. You might even feel like you're doing everything right. But sometimes the things you believe strengthen the connection could actually be creating distance. What happens after a man's climax is more important than most women realize, and it can deeply affect how he feels about you and the relationship. It can be hard to tell if you're truly meeting his emotional and physical needs during this vulnerable time. But there are key things every woman should do to keep the bond strong and lasting. In this video, we'll reveal 6 powerful things women should do after a man's climax to deepen his love and connection with you. Number 1. Offer a sincere compliment. The moments after a man's climax are especially vulnerable. Offering a genuine compliment during this time can uplift his emotional well-being and affirm the connection you both share. This isn't about empty flattery. It's about appreciating his effort, attentiveness, or the pleasure of the experience. Whether you praise his tenderness, passion, or the way he makes you feel, your words will reinforce his confidence and make him feel valued. Compliments also serve as positive reinforcement, subtly encouraging him to keep doing what makes you happy. Number 2. Stay close and connected. After climaxing, men often feel physically and emotionally sensitive. By staying close, whether through cuddling, holding hands, or simply lying side by side, you create a safe and nurturing environment. This physical closeness releases oxytocin, the love hormone, fostering deeper trust and affection. Even if he needs a moment to himself during the refractory period, maintaining gentle closeness reassures him that you cherish the emotional connection as much as the physical experience. Number 3. Reflect on the experience together. Once you both feel comfortable, consider discussing the experience. This doesn't have to be immediate, but can be part of a broader conversation about your sexual relationship. Asking what he enjoyed or what could improve demonstrates your commitment to mutual satisfaction. These discussions foster openness, helping you both feel secure in expressing your desires and preferences, which ultimately strengthens your connection. Number 4. Stay attentive and engaged. Even after climaxing, staying attentive to him can make a big difference. Simple actions like stroking his hair, giving him a soft kiss, or resting your head on his chest show that your focus extends beyond the climax itself. This attentiveness conveys that you're present for the entire experience, nurturing a sense of care and partnership that lasts beyond the physical act. Number 5. Drink a glass of water. Staying hydrated is a must, especially after some steamy fun. Take it up a notch by adding a splash of lemon to your water. The citrus not only adds a refreshing twist, but also boosts hydration, supports digestion, and helps flush out toxins. Plus, the extra vitamin C gives your immune system a little love. Drinking enough water means you'll pee more often, which helps wash out bacteria before they can stir up trouble. So, pour yourself a glass, squeeze in some lemon, and sip your way to feeling refreshed, energized, and protected. Number 6. Keep communication open. Open communication after a man's climax helps strengthen intimacy. Asking gentle questions like, "How are you feeling?" or "Did that feel good for you?" shows that you care about his emotional and physical well-being. Pay attention to his verbal and nonverbal cues, as some men may prefer quiet moments while others appreciate light-hearted banter. Tailoring your responses to his needs demonstrates attentiveness and deepens the bond you share. Number 7. Respect his need for space. While closeness is essential, It's equally important to recognize when he may need space. Some men naturally withdraw momentarily after climax to process their emotions or relax. If he seems like he needs a little time to himself, don't take it personally. Giving him this space without judgment or pressure shows maturity and respect, which ultimately strengthens trust in your relationship. Conclusion: the moments after a man's climax are pivotal for reinforcing emotional intimacy and trust. By offering sincere compliments, staying physically close, and maintaining open communication, you can create a deeper bond that goes beyond the physical experience. Balancing attentiveness with his need for space and openly discussing your shared experiences sets the foundation for a healthy, fulfilling relationship. Remember, it's not just about the act, it's about how you both feel afterward.